Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Daphne here once again. Thank you very much for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe down below. And again, welcome back to another episode of Can Dee Sew It? So today we'll be sewing a cute headband. It's called a makeup headband or a get ready with me headband. I don't know, but I just had to make it as it's so cute. I got a picture from Pinterest to use as inspiration. If you're interested in that, please stay tuned. This is what you will need. So the ideal length for the headband will be 29 inches. So I cut 29 inches in length by 4 inches in width. Then still on the fold, cut your bow part. This will be 4 inches in width as well, and then 9 inches in length.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that
out a thin strip of fabric. It does not have to be on the fold. This will be 3 inches in width and 9 inches in length. Now here's all of the pieces we have cut. The longer piece will be used for the headband, and then the one in the middle will be used for the bow, and then we'll also use the last one to cover the bow. I also cut a small piece off camera. This was used as a second little bow in the middle. You'll see in the video. A small. Now we're going to sew a straight stitch along the edge of the short piece as well as the long headband piece. I hope this is clear.
every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Now sew the bow pieces from one corner to the other corner, but leave an opening in the middle. This will allow us to turn the bow inside out once we're done sewing it.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happy tonight. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
Now go back to that long headband piece and insert your elastic. The elastic has to be the circumference of your head. And then we'll sew a zigzag stitch back and forth over the elastic to secure it. So
But then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
I decided to sew a top stitch over around my bow pieces just to make it look a bit more neat.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Now it's time to assemble the bow on top of the headband. Looks cute, right? I'm so excited.
Happier tonight.
Now sew a straight stitch along the long strip and then cut the excess off, as you can see there on the video. Then after doing that, you will now turn it inside out. Explaining is so difficult, oh my word.
I just wanna be happy.